Hello and welcome. I'm Chef Mark to Escoffier Online International Culinary Academy. Today we're preparing how to cook frozen scallops. I like to cook the bay scallops when they're frozen because they have that great sea tang, the great sea flavor. When you do frost scallops, sometimes they tend to get soggy. Even the large sea scallops, the 1-inch diver scallops, you can easily saute those. I let them get just a little defrosted, but then I sear them in a screaming hot pan. We'll do the same thing today. Very, very hot pan. We don't want them to turn into little pencil erasers. We want them to be nice and tender. But bay scallops are usually nice and tender because they're grown in the bay. For this recipe, we also have diced onion, little salad oil, garlic, tomato concasse, chopped parsley or chopped cilantro or chopped watercress, and a little brandy for flambe. At the end, a little julienne scallion for garnish. Now we're ready to cook our frozen bay scallops. Dry skillet, preheated. You use Teflon or any skillet works fine. Some vegetable oil, nice and hot. And watch the flesh back on that one, see? Pull it off the flame. We'll put it on there too. That's it. All we like, a little fire. Beautiful, beautiful. We're going to add some minced onion, some fresh garlic, some tomato concasse, chopped parsley or watercress or cilantro, some julienne scallions, very colorful dish, very flavorful dish, a little black pepper, cherry. Black pepper is very nice from southern India. I like to use that. We'll put a little fresh sea salt. Give it a few more tosses to incorporate all the ingredients. Make sure they get nice and brown. We add a little secret ingredient there. A little cognac to flame it. We have to have some on the floor so that the person who cleans the floors has something to do. Now that it's done, we can dish it up. And we're going to garnish it with some more of the scallions and little diced tomatoes, a little more black pepper. And there you have how to cook frozen scallops. Very beautiful dish. Bon appetit.